Greetings from CAD Chennai Academy of Architecture and Design. I am Professor Kanahatara from CAD Fraternity. This session will help you out to ace NATA 2021 National Aptitude Test in Architecture. Let's move on to the sixth part of CAD preparatory session for NATA, Art, Movement and History. Topics covered under this section are about monuments, history, art movement, architect's work and artist work. Starting with monuments, identifying the building is important. The image or location or specific features of the building will be given and you have to identify. For example, the image of the building is given and you have to choose the correct answer from the options given. Next, location of the building. You have to identify the place where the monument is located. Name the city where the iconic Colosseum is located. Rome is the answer. Sometimes you will be asked who constructed the building or the period of construction. For example, name the dynasty in whose period the famous Brihadishwara temple was built. Okay? Or period of construction means maybe the year or like identify the oldest monument from the list given below. Questions will be asked like that. Next topic is history, about civilizations and architectural styles. Civilization means Indus Valley civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, Egyptian civilization, etc. For example, during which civilization the Great Pyramids are built? Egyptian civilization is the answer. And architectural styles means Chola architecture, Mughal or Gothic architecture, their unique features. You should know the basics of these styles. Now, identifying the components in the historical buildings. Components means the parts of the building, their unique features such as an arch built against a wall, especially of a Gothic church, to support its weight, and horizontal thrust of a roof, dome or a vault is called as flying buttress. Next topic is art movement. Based on style, techniques, material used or about the artists and architects who have worked for this movement. For example, identify the art movement behind the logo. Bauhaus is the answer. Next, architect's work. You might be asked to identify the building designed by the famous architects, or the other way around. The image and the name of the building will be given and you have to identify the architect who designed it from the options given. Last topic is artist work. Same way here, the image of the painting will be given and you have to identify the artist who painted it. For example, name the famous artist who painted this Mona Lisa painting. Answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Or the artist name will be given and you have to select his work from the given set of paintings. Identify the correct artwork by the famous painter Raja Ravi Verma from the options given. Option 3 is the answer. Sometimes you will be asked to identify the expression or emotion depicted in the painting. Which of the given abstract artwork best depicts the emotion of joy or optimism? Option 2 is the answer. Finally, the study methodology. Since it is history subject, you know the basics. So just brush up about the famous monuments in India or around the world, their locations, who constructed the monument and the period of constructions, civilizations, architectural styles, their unique basic features of the building, famous artists and their works. Now, the new things to learn is about art movement and architects' work. For this, you can refer to our CAD NATA preparatory guide we have posted in FB. That's it. End of part 6. Next video is on visual perceptual skills, which is the ability to organize and interpret the given information. 07 Visual Perception. Thank you.